Which fruit has seeds on the outside? Strawberries are the only common fruit with seeds on the outside. Which fruit was called Persian apple? The word peach comes from Latin persica, meaning Persian apple. Which fruit is actually a berry? Botanically, bananas are true berries, while strawberries are not. Which fruit is said to keep the doctor away? The saying goes, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Which fruit is classified as a vegetable in cooking, but a fruit botanically? Botanically, tomatoes are fruits, but they're used as vegetables in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching! Come back for more videos! And please subscribe!